Mr.
Actually,
Poddar.
Ravi, if I may add to that, I think you're right that Marathi films now are increasingly being watched by the non-Marathi audience, and I think that's good and positive for the Marathi industry as a whole, for everybody who's involved with the industry. But I also believe that the Marathi viewers themselves are increasing, so it is not an either or, both are increasing. Otherwise, I think percentage can be read anyway, but as long as I have more Marathi viewers coming into the theaters, it's good for me as an industry. And we spoke about some of the films, and Marathi is known for all the quality cinema. But one is quality cinema that has always been there since decades in Marathi. The two changes that have come about is the production values and the whole look and feel, the packaging of cinema has improved in Marathi, so that's made it far more contemporary. And the second thing that's come along with the production values is the making it younger. It's looking younger, fresher. We didn't speak about Dunyadari and Classmates, etc. These are cinema that's making it younger and bringing the younger Marathi viewer into the theaters, getting them to watch. And we need to realize that the younger generation today is very open. So just like a Hindi viewer is open to watching Marathi, the Marathi viewer is very open to going and watching Hindi. So unless you give him quality contemporary cinema that speaks his language, that looks fresh, that looks vibrant, that looks young, you lose that generation. And therefore, it's equally important that we are doing that. And that's what's bringing them back into the theater. So I think it's both segments are growing here.
सई आज खूप गॉर्जियस दिसतेस तू आणि कॉंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स फॉर वजनदार. खरं तर फिल्मफेअर किंवा कोणताही अवॉर्ड सोहळा म्हटला की परफॉर्मन्सकडे सगळ्यांचं लक्ष लागलेलं असतं. तर सईचा परफॉर्मन्स यंदाच्या फिल्मफेअर अवॉर्ड सोहळ्यात पाहायला मिळेल का?
I honestly don't know. पण मी स्वतःला सांगितलंय की आधी फिल्मफेअर मिळव आणि मग परफॉर्म कर. So let's see.
Hi, one more question for Vivek. Philanthropy, humanitarian grounds, where do you see yourself as being part of the political arena and doing some more good things for the city of Mumbai? You'll make a good politician because you have a lot of spirit with you, which is not.
Actually, I apologize. I'm cracking up because this is a question I get asked very, very frequently. But there are decisions you take at a certain crossroad in your life. In 2014, when I was offered to stand for elections for the Lok Sabha, I took a conscious decision that I don't want to go that way. I don't want to be in active politics because active politics does put you in a structure. And as an individual, I like my flexibility, my ability to do whatever I want to do without having to be structured within a party ethos or a thought process or towing a certain line. I've never been a yes man, so I think it's going to be difficult for me to be a good or a successful politician. I'd rather be a successful humanitarian and philanthropist and an actor.
Members of the media, we'll take one last question.
Vivek, Mrinmay here from Maharashtra Times.
कसे आहोत आपण?
All good. मी तेच म्हणणार होते. Would you like to ever invest time, money or energy in Marathi industry per se? And I would like you to answer in Marathi because.
हो, मला मराठी येते पण मला सवय नाही. So I lose confidence when I'm in a public platform. When I'm
पण हे व्यासपीठ मराठीचं जास्त आहे.
when I'm speaking to my friends, जैसे अभी मेरा भाऊ है एक रितेश, तो उसके साथ बैठ के बात करता हूँ तो हम लोग मराठी में बात कर लेते हैं. लेकिन जैसे ही सामने कैमरास, मीडिया पीपल ये सब आ जाते हैं, थोड़ा सा मैं नर्वस हो जाता हूँ कि कुछ गलत बोल दूंगा तो आज आप इतनी खूबसूरत लग रही हैं कि मुझे और डर लग रहा है. So yes, मुझे definitely I see myself as part of Marathi cinema. In fact, रितेश ने मुझे एक स्क्रिप्ट भी सुनाई है और मुझे वो स्क्रिप्ट बहुत पसंद है, मराठी. आणि मला असं वाटतंय if that happens, then I will not even think about it. I'll do it. I am doing a very big Tamil film now, so I don't believe that languages should be a barrier for cinema. And Marathi cinema is class as far as stories are concerned. और एक्टर को क्या चाहिए? एक्टर को अच्छे कैरेक्टर्स, अच्छी स्टोरीज. जैसे ये बोल रही थी तो मेरे दिल की बात बोल रही थी कि मराठी सिनेमा में अभी एक प्योरिटी है क्योंकि वहाँ स्टोरी हीरो है. वो स्टोरी इतनी खूबसूरत लगी मुझे और मुझे लगता है वो सिर्फ मराठी में फिल्म बन सकती है, तो मैं करना चाहूँगा.
Thank you, members of the media, for joining us, and we absolutely cannot wait for the Karm Filmfare Awards Marathi 2016. Thank you. Have a pleasant day ahead.
समोर बघा समोर सर या विवेक साई इकडे सोलो 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 हाँ ठीक है एक सेकंड अरे मॅडम 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 तुम्ही समोर बघा समोर साई इकडे सही इथे सही साई इकडे समोर बघा साई साई एक मिनिट विवेक वेट सर एक सेंटर में सर आम्ही कधी भेटायचं आम्ही कधी भेटायचं जितेश अभी तो everyone here please Sai face here. मेरी बात भाई सबका हुआ तो बोलो भाई मैं भी पीछे